Stop relying on usernames that change. Unlock your permanent 18-digit Discord ID in seconds to handle support tickets, moderation, or bot commands like a pro. Whether you are on a desktop or mobile, finding your unique user ID is simple once you enable developer mode. So, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the Discord, hit U at the bottom right, press the settings gear in the top right, or the cogwheel, scroll a little bit down to find app or advanced button, just press advanced, turn on the developer mode, okay? Now go back to copy your ID, to go back to any server or DM, right? So let's say, let me go ahead here. Yeah, let me go somewhere. Yeah, DM's here, right? So let's say this one, right? Now long press your avatar, right? Or click on it. You can see 3 dots in the top right. Press it and hit lastly copy user ID button, right? So basically that's it. Quick tips: the copy or the user ID, excuse me, is a unique 17 to 19 digit number that never changes, even if you change your username. Also, you can use this same method to copy server IDs or channel IDs by right clicking them. Lastly, restart your Discord app if the copy ID button or copy ID option doesn't appear immediately after turning on developer mode. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. It really helps. Until next time, see you.